What's going on, YouTube? This is CryptoVision. Let's see, what the hell night is it? Okay, it's Thursday night going into Friday morning. And we're going to talk about Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. We'll see how things are going. It looks like the market's trying to recover here slowly but surely. So let's take a look and see what we got here. If I can get it to where my blind ass can see it. Let's see. Okay, Litecoin is your number 4 or number 5 actually. Still, we got a market cap of 4.207 billion. It looks like we are now at $66.59, and we are down right now 0.99%. So let's take a look at that 24-hour. Take it just a few moments to download here. This to where I can see this. There we go. And I'll take the time to tell you guys about our new sports bottles we have. My wife is into crafts now, so what she can do is she can make you a sports bottle. These are only $6 a piece. These are pretty cool. As you can see, if you can see through the glare there, you can see the CryptoVision. God dang, there we go. You see the CryptoVision glasses there on the front. If I can get that, yeah. It says CryptoVision inside there, which is pretty cool. She did a real good job of this. And you can put, she'll put, like, see the Ethereum symbol. Let's see, and then there's Bitcoin. Okay, here we go. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ripple, and Litecoin. Now, these are only $6. Like I said, they're nice looking sports bottles. $6 a piece. Or we have other merchandise here, and I'll show you that in a minute. And let's try to get into this 24-hour chart here. It might take a few minutes. I do apologize in advance. It looks like Litecoin is kind of struggling to hit that $70 mark, but we have gone up. The good thing is we're starting to, it looks like it's trying to stabilize. It looks like Litecoin is trying to get back to 70. We've been below 65 for the last couple of days, but it looks like it's trying to get back to we're at 66 now. And it looks like it's just going to be a slow process, but I think the coins are trying to recover. So, don't panic yet. Don't sell everything off. This is just a correction we're in right now. And I do apologize in advance. It takes this computer so incredibly long to download this. This is just, I'm almost tempted to just go back to my other format because it just takes this so long. Here we go. I like OBS. Like I said, I am going to try and get my other computer going as quickly as I can. Right now, my CPU kind of got screwed up, so I'm getting a new CPU for it. So as soon as I do that, hopefully the OBS will work on that one. So, we started out Litecoin today at about, it looks like 67, hold on, there we go. 67.23. We kind of, let's see, did we go up a little bit here? If I can get this to move. 67.19, 67.32. Let's see. Yeah, 67.32 is going to be your high for today. We kind of ping-ponged around a little bit, and then we kind of started falling here. We fell to about 65.74, and then right around here is going to be your low point, I think, today. Let's say $64.65 is going to be your low. So I think Litecoin is trying to, you see, we're starting to retrace up a little bit. We're getting more volume here. The volume is coming back again, so it's going to take some time. I do believe that Litecoin is going to jump up to the 70, start building support at 70. And I do believe you're going to start to see a $100 Litecoin again, so we'll have to see how that goes. Let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be Ethereum. The one I'm all in right now on. And I'm thinking I'm just going to pretty much, what I'd like to do is invest a little bit into Bitcoin, and I'd like to invest, have a full Litecoin, in my full Ethereum, and I'm going to keep on mining Ethereum so that way I could just keep accumulating more. But I do want to put all that on a hard wallet so that way I'm not tempted to blow the entire thing. Okay, it'll take it just a second here. This thing is very slow. Hold on. Okay. If I could just get this to go down just a little bit. There we go. Okay, Ethereum's number 2. We got a market cap of 18.902 billion. We're at 175.63. We are down 0.01%. So we're just down 0.01%. That's almost nothing. So let's take a look at that 24-hour. And now the second thing of merchandise here, I'll show you in just a second. Actually, we're up 0.01%. Yeah, sorry. It shows, it's weird, it shows down here, it's down 1%. That's weird. 1.13%. Just 1 second here. If I can get this silly thing to go down, that would be amazing. That's why I've kind of condensed it down to just 3 coins, because this thing is just very slow. But this is about the only device that I can broadcast OBS on right now at this present moment. I am going to try. I'm going to see if I can't do it on my iPad mini. It might be equally as slow, so we'll see how that goes. But anyway, for Ethereum, let's see. I have heard some pretty exciting news. They are going to try to come out with a gold-based token for Ethereum. So it's called, let's see, just a second here. It'll take just a moment to get into that chart. Okay, it's called PAX. It's like a stable coin, from what I understand. And it's it's called P. Yeah, it's what it is it's a gold-based current token, and it's backed by gold, so it's actually got money backing it, and it's like a stable coin, so that sounds pretty interesting. So I'll have to look more up it. But yeah, my second thing of merchandise, what I have here, which is actually I'll show it to you at the next one here. Okay, we started out the day for Ethereum at about 175.38. Let's see, 175.28. Yeah, 175.70 actually keeps changing. Then we retraced about 175.31, 175.41, and let's see, we fell to about let's see. I know I saw 171 this morning at about probably 3 or 4 in the morning. So I want to say, let's say 171 is going to be your low for today for Ethereum. And your high so far is going to be 176.07. Actually, I saw 177. So let's just say 177 is going to be your high. I think we're going to get back to the 180 range. It looks like it's trying to go back up again. So we just got to be patient with Ethereum. I think it's like, next to Bitcoin, Ethereum's got the most developers. I mean, there's just a lot of exciting things coming from Ethereum. So if I were you, I would just hold on to all the Ethereum I possibly could and try to accumulate. One of these days we're going to think $175 is a hell of a bargain for Ethereum, because I think someday Ethereum could hit 3,000, guys. I really do. When we had the big bull run and it hit 1,400 about a year or so ago, I think with the right punch, with the right news, I think Ethereum someday could be a $3,000 coin. I really do. I believe so. But yeah, so I'm saying in the short term, I think you're going to see support build around 175 to 180. 180 is your resistance right now. I think toward the end of the year, you're going to be 200, 250 for Ethereum. So let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be Bitcoin, your number 1 coin. And while we're doing that, I will go ahead and show you this once we wait for the chart. Okay, Bitcoin is number one. Of course, you got a market cap of 192 trillion. You're at about 10,717.23, and we are up 1.24%. Let's take a look at that 24-hour. And that will take just one moment. If I can get that 24-hour chart going. Just 1 second here. Come on. Okay. Here we go. We're finally in business here. Okay. Okay, here we go. I got it right where I want it to be now. Okay. Now let me know in the comments below, guys. Do you like this? Do you like this format better, or do you like the computer, like the other better, the non-OBS? I think I like this part better, actually, myself. It just looks a lot more professional. It'll take it just a moment here to load the data. The only problem is this right here, loading data. It takes it just incredibly. That's part of the reason why my shows are kind of running a little bit longer. So, okay, now I can show you my last bit of merchandise here, and I think a lot of you know what it is already. There we go. Okay. Now, for $5, my wife will make you one of these nifty coasters here. As you can see, it's got the Ethereum symbol on it. She puts a gloss over it, and it looks really nice. It's a nice finish on it. She's got a word for it, a scientific word. I can't really recall what it's called, but it looks really, really nice. Let me see if I got another one just for example. Let's see. Yeah. It's not exactly crypto, but yeah. You can see how shiny it looks. Yeah, it's really nice and shiny, and she can make it look that good. And what she does is like she could put Bitcoin on there for you. She could put Litecoin on there for you, or Ethereum, or she can put any crypto symbol you want. You just can't have this one. This one's mine. But we can make you either one at a time, and they're only $5, or we can make you a set of 4, and that only costs you $20. So that's not a bad deal at all. So let's take a look at Bitcoin, and then we'll do an overall market cap, and we'll call it a day. Let's see. We started out the day at about 10,570, retraced to about 10,564, ping-ponged a little bit, shot up to about 10,619.20, and then kind of ping-pong, ping-pong, ping-pong. And let's see, where's your low point here? Kind of tough to tell on this one here. Let's see if this is it right here. 10,005. Let's just say 10,527. And your high so far is going to be 10,732. So Bitcoin is looking good. Bitcoin is holding that incredibly important level of 10,000. We got to try. I know you're going to have days where it might dip below 10,000. But the key, guys, is to keep Bitcoin above 10,000. Because when Bitcoin's happy, usually the rest of the market's doing pretty decent. I'm not going to say everybody's happy, but we got a high Bitcoin dominance right now. That's why some of the altcoins are suffering. But it looks like, at least it looks like Ethereum's trying to pick up. Like I said, I think you could see a $12,000 to $14,000 Bitcoin at the end of the year with a nice bull run. And I think eventually over time you're going to see a $3,000 Ethereum, guys. Mark my words. Someday Ethereum will be $3,000. I really do believe it, because there's a lot of development going on, and trust me, what you need to do is you need to create, excitement, and with the right news, with the right, fear of missing out. I mean, you could drive that price at least to $2,000. But anyway, we'll take a look. Like I said, $14,000 Bitcoin at the end of the year. And we got a total market cap overall of 270 bill. We are at volume, 24-hour volume of 50 bill. And we got a Bitcoin dominance of 71.1%, which is really incredible. That would explain why a lot of your altcoins are performing poorly right now. But things will pick up. Don't sell out just because everybody else is. Don't make the same mistakes I've done. That's why I'm trying to help you guys, because I don't want to see nobody, get burned like I've gotten burned in the past. Just use your own common sense. Well, guys, it's Thursday night. CryptoVision signing off. Peace out, guys. And please remember to share and please remember to subscribe. Peace out.